sometimes we always want to talk about the rule of law, but one moment we breach it. They are just to suit our whims and caprices. But we are lawyers. We only deal with what the court will say. And so if the court is minded that in the interest of security for all the parties in the action, my client should be remanded, it is only fair that we also comply with what the court will say. If we think there is any other considerations in respect of bail that we intend to consider, we will say do. Unfortunately, the media has been engulfed with so much of falsehood, and I don't know why the media will allow their space to be used to propagate fraud or falsehood. You see, this may have been hearing a lot of things on the radio, that he was detained for 6 hours, he was put in his face was pushed into the blended pepper. Question is, was it when the pepper was in the blender, or where? Could the face have entered the blender? Those are some of the things. Sometimes issues come and you have to ask so that you get the correct facts. You just take the information and incite everybody against, and now you don't even know who the people are. In the media, Lebanese. You see, we are people where we have to also look at individuals who commit crime by themselves and not to generalize. Because the way we do our things, if we put people in groups and say they are all criminals, is that fair?
You told the court he's a Ghanaian.
Yes, he is. And the company is a Ghanaian company too. His uncles that you see with fair colors are Ghanaians. And some of these things you don't know. It is you, the media, that is supposed to bring out what is truthful. The incident that happened has been misrepresented.
What's the true story?
The facts, as we have it now, the fact is that there was a splash of pepper into the face of the lady. It cannot be intentional. It cannot be intentional. It cannot be intentional. You understand? And have you bothered to find out whether the following day the girl went to work? The following day the girl went to work. When the incident happened, he was on the night shift. The following day, 7 a.m., she was at work. Some of these facts are there for you to find out, but you refuse to find out, and you create sensation. And note, when one individual commits an offense, deal with that person. Don't generalize it. Now you are collapsing. Apart from him, you are collapsing a business that is employing the same Ghanaians.
I think that's exactly why you are speaking to you now for the side of the story.
You are killing one business, and go and look at the number of people they have employed there. Are they not Ghanaians? Are they not? It is time, when we say we want to go forward, apply rule of law, we deal with issues in the right context and not avoid the sensationalism and criminalizing everybody, groups, and it doesn't help anybody.